Hello everyone, welcome to our quick dive into the world of HTML. Today we are going to explore what HTML is, how it structures web pages, and even we create a simple web page together. Today in this session we are going to cover a basic structure of an HTML document and different types of elements and tags and its respective attributes and values. HTML structure. First thing first, let's talk about the basic structure of an HTML document. Think of it like building a house. You need a foundation, walls, and a roof, right? Well, in HTML, we have our doc type HTML, head, and body and element tags, which serve as the framework for our content. Let's see it on the code. If you see here, this is the basic structure of an HTML document. We have a doc type HTML. This tells the browser which version of the HTML we are using and how it should render the content on the web page. And we have an overall wrapper HTML tag, and inside we have a head tag and body tag. This is the basic structure of an HTML document. Next, HTML elements. HTML uses what we call tags to define different parts of our content. For example, H1 to H6 tags are used for headings, P tag for paragraphs, A tag for links, and so on. It's like labeling different containers for our content. Let's see it on the code. If you see here, we have a different level of headings starting from H1 to H6, and we have a paragraph tag that holds a content and an anchor tag which is a link, and we have an image tag. These are the different HTML elements or tags in the HTML. Attributes and values. We can also add extra information to our tags using attributes. These are like additional instructions for the browser. For example, the source attribute in an image tag tells the browser where to find the image. Let's see it on the code. If you see here, we have an image tag and we have two different attributes. One is a source attribute that contains an image path, and it tells the browser from where to fetch the image and render it on the web page. And we have an alt attribute that contains a meaningful text as a value. In case whenever if we don't have a image in the particular path, in the browser it shows the broken image. So instead of broken image, we can tell the user there was an image but that is not loading right away. So instead of showing a broken image, we can show a proper meaningful text on replacement of an image. So these are the different attributes and its values with respect to image tag. Likewise, we have one more attribute for this anchor tag. The attribute varies for different HTML element or tags. If you see in then another example, we have an anchor tag and it contains a href attribute and link as a value. These are the different attributes and its values. Now we'll quickly render this entire HTML document in the browser and see how does it look. If you see here, we have a heading level starting from 1 to 6, and we have a paragraph tag, and we have a link, and we have an image. This is how it renders on the browser. So it is like crafting a story. We are just using HTML instead of words. Alright folks, that wrap-ups our lighting tour of HTML. So what are all we covered in today's session is the basic structure of an HTML document. It contains this doc type, HTML, head, body, and different elements or tags, and its attributes and values. HTML is the foundation of the web, so understanding its basic is super important. I encourage you all to keep exploring, keep coding, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.